The over-the-top display setup is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Begin the frame setup by assembling the sides. Refer to the instruction sheet on which poles should be used for your display. Every pole should have a little sticker with a letter on it. Once both sides are assembled, it's time to attach the top portion. On the corners, make sure the buttons have snapped through the hole on the connecting pole. Next, attach the clamps to the table. Using the large screw, securely attach the clamps to the table. In tandem with another person, gently pull graphic over the frame. Next, lift up display and insert it onto the pole located on the clamp. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the over-the-top display. The over-the-top can be purchased with optional floor-based hardware. You will assemble the framework like you would for the table setup, except add an additional pole to each side. Once the framework is assembled, in tandem with another person, gently slide on the graphic. Now lift the frame up and insert it onto the pole located on the floor hardware. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the over-the-top floor mount.